Morning, children. I hope that you all are keeping fine and also you are studying well in your families. So, welcome back once again. Today we continue our English language learning. Today I will take chapter 4 pronoun, page number 26. So, children, when we speak of pronouns, first of all, why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns instead of a noun. So now what are the pronouns? Simply we can understand pronouns like uh, I, you, we, he, she, it, they. These are all called pronouns. Okay. So we know from our earlier classes. So children, now I am going to divide these pronouns into first person, second person, and third person. So let me divide it. Okay. So we can divide here pronouns. See, here will be one more here and then here. See, here we have a first person. This one is second person. This one is third person. Okay. So children, in this first column, see here we put I, then we, then me, us. Okay. Now here in the second person, you know it is you, and in the third person, see he, she, it, and they. Okay, so first person I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, and they in the plural form also. Okay, they. So this is the division of pronouns. Now, children, if you have understood this, now instead I am coming to this particular chapter proper now. Now let us read the first passage. It is written think. Okay. Now let us do the exercises which is given below. Think. Now I am reading the text for you. A new family has come to live in Max society. Yashna, a young girl of 10, is introducing herself. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences that she spoke. Now the exercise is given here. Hi, I am Yashna. See here, I am Yashna. I have, in the next column again you will read, I have come from Chennai. My father's name is Venkat Raman. Next one. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Rukmini. Next one. She works in a bank. Next. We have moved here because my mother has been transferred to Bangalore. It is very nice to meet. Next one. It is very nice to meet you. Okay. Next line. Hope we will be a good friends. We. So children, we can see here these pronouns are used instead of different nouns given here. So as I told you, we use pronoun instead of a noun. We use pronoun in the place of nouns. So that when we use pronouns, it is better to listen. For example, I am giving here. Just I am giving some example. Here is a girl. Her name is Farhat Islam. So here Farhat, see I am giving. Farhat is a girl. Farhat likes to eat pizza, or Farhat likes to eat mangoes. So this is in the same line. So instead of using this one, I can write like this. I can write like this. Farhat is a girl. She instead of Farhat I am using she likes to eat mango. So children, see this is in the same line, but here I have written. But we cannot use again and again this particular name called Farhat, because again and again when we use it, it doesn't sound well. We cannot use again and again the particular noun. So I have used here, instead of this Farhat I have used she. See? So it sounds better. Okay. So children, now after doing this I am coming to exercise A. We can do it here. Okay. So there is a passage given here. We have to complete this particular passage by filling pronouns, suitable pronouns. Now exercise A. Complete these paragraphs using suitable pronouns. Okay, children, I will continue this one in my next class. Thank you.